Okay. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. And today I'm going to talk about this keyword in JavaScript. And in previous video, I already talked about uh, object in JavaScript, like what is an object, how we can make the object, and why it is important object in JavaScript and how we can access that object property and how we can update the data, add data, delete it, data or property in object, like that kind of things we already talked in previous videos. And today I am going to talk about what is keyword and how we can use what is not what is keyword. We I'm going to talk about what is this keyword. This keyword. The topic name is this. Okay, so uh, I'm going to talk about today. Discuss about what is this keyword and how we can use this keyword in JavaScript and uh, how uh, how and what kind of different value this have in different places, that kind of things I am going to talk about on today's video. So this is an interesting topic and also important topic in JavaScript. So let's see, start with introduction of this keyword. First, let me fix my setup, because uh, you also have to see the note also, which helps you to uh, understand properly by seeing notes, also listening to me. So that's it. So let's go. So this keyword in JavaScript means it is usually refers to the object that is currently executing or calling the function. So in JavaScript, when we are calling the function or executing the function, we use to this keyword. So that is the this keyword. So let me make simple. Uh, it means who is calling or using the function right now. This keyword means who is calling or who is using the function in JavaScript right now. This usually means uh, that definition in JavaScript. This keyword means so. And also the value of this keyword is not fixed. There is no constant value of this keyword, so it change depending on where and how the function is called. So the that is about the value of this keyword. So uh, we can write, we can use the this keyword in different places, different way. Okay, so like that, for example, in global scope, inside the function, inside normal function, inside the arrow function, so inside object. Okay, so that kind of things we can use the global, we can use the this keyword in JavaScript. So uh, I'm going to describe all the topic one by one, but so uh, I think I will go in deeply. I'll talk this on deeply. So let's start with this keyword in the global scope. So how we can use this keyword in global scope. So uh, global scope. So first, to see the this keyword in global scope, let me explain what is the global scope. Global scope means that that place where function, object, method, there is no any kind of things outside of function, method, object, that kind of outside of that kind of things, that means global scope. Let me show you in BS code. uh, Here we can see Java from basic, maybe there is no, maybe it's the learn Java. I don't know where I created our JS file. I don't know. Let me check it for a moment. Maybe I have created here inside, inside. Come on. Maybe I don't think here. Come on. JavaScript. There is no JavaScript folder. So let me create maybe JavaScript. Just revision. Okay, I found it. Just I created function folder here. Of so let me make one function or method, some kind of things. Here you can see sequence C equal to function uh, function console dot log hello. So this is the global scope. Hello, okay. So I am from global COP scope. I am from not global scope, bro. Not global scope. I am from function stop. Sorry, my mistake. Function scope. Uh, it is function. It is from function scope because this lies this exist from the just inside the function. So also we can see console.log. I am from I am from I'm from global scope. Okay, so that is the that is the that is what I am trying to tell it. Which place is function scope, which place is a method scope, or which place is global scope, right? So uh, uh, usually normally global scope means outside the method, outside the place, not inside, not this block of scope. Okay, so outside this function, it's called global scope. So global scope means usually this. Okay, so next is, so in browser this refers to the window object. Okay, in uh, in browser means that uh, that browser where we run the JavaScript code. Okay, so in browser this keyword refers to the window object. I think you know about window object. Window object means that kind of one kind of library where already declared as some keyword and some keyword value pair, that places it's called, that library is called window. And when we When we okay, wait. So uh, when we create the variable using var var uh, var type data type, it it goes to the window object. So it goes to the browser uh, window object. Browser some kind of one place is it stores in one place in browser, so that is called window. Let me show you by going this browser. So wait for a moment. uh okay, so I am running this code by here. Maybe it is connected. So okay, script is equal to try.js. Oh, try.js. Wait. Sorry for the disturb. So here I already connect my JavaScript in HTML file. So I'm going to run this HTML file in browser, and I want to run my JS code in browser. So wait for a moment. So here it is here it is showing hello. Yeah, this hello means maybe this. What is hello it is showing? Yes, showing inspect console. Hello, I am from Global Scope. Okay. Okay. Hello means it is running from this hello, and uh so uh hello, I am from Global Scope means this, and this is not showing in browser because we are not calling the function here. So ABC. So maybe it so okay. Hello, I am from function scope. There it is showing the output of our code. So but here I am not going to show that things right now. The things what I am going to show you is so wait. What? Okay. So if we do log log, okay, this if we did console.log this, okay, this all it usually refers to the this equal to windows in browser. So here you can see this means window means here we can see there are different kind of keyword keyword which is already defined in our JavaScript library. There are keyword, there are method, that kind of many thousands of things are stored in JavaScript library that is called window. And so when we do console.log this, right, it this represent window not windows. This represent the window, okay, this represent the window. So that is window. So the things that what I am going to, so this already we saw. So next one is when we did uh var a equal to 10 and console.log a. Okay, if we did like that, if we write this kind of code here, uh, here we can see the value of a by this or by this. Okay, here we are seeing, but here another another what we can do is this dot a. This dot a means here we can see this dot a means when we did this dot a. Wait first. So mhm, okay. So when we do that, here we can see our variable is stored in the window object. We created variable like var a equal to 10. A is our variable. So variable is stored in directly our window object, right? So directly stored in the window object. So when we did this dot a means this equal to window dot a, window dot a, window dot a. I need. Hey, I am asking this JavaScript to, hey JavaScript, I need window dot a, the value of window dot a. So that's why it is giving me 10. Okay. So this is the concept of this inside a global scope. So why browse? Because browser store global bar store inside and next important things is here when we create the variable using the var type of var data type, but it is showing us the value of and we use this keyword in here and when we use let and cons instead of var but it is then it is not going to give the value of value of a. You can see here when wait var a is equal to 20. Wait. Mm, the- so okay, here we can see here I did var a equal to 20 console.log console.log with this dot a. It is giving us the value of a. But when I use let data type in JavaScript, it is not giving the value of b is equal to 10. And when I did this dot b, it is giving us undefined. Here we also can see when I create a variable using var data type, it is uh, it is directly storing on inside the window object. But when I did uh, when I use uh, let data type of JavaScript, it is not storing. It is and I called this dot b. It is not storing the. It is not storing here inside the window object. Okay, so that is the difference between let and bar. Also, we cannot do like that. Const p equal to two and console dot log. See, we also cannot do. No, here we should do this dot a, this dot a, not this dot c. So we cannot do like that. We only allow to use this keyword inside. var keyword, but there is no access to use uh, this keyword inside let and const object because uh, const variable because var keyword directly store the variable inside window object, but uh, let and const that type doesn't store any variable inside the window object. So wait, how many minutes is here? This okay. So this is the topic. So next one is so move on to the next topic. It is already late. Next one is this inside a function. This is just a normal function, and we will go arrow function later. So here, inside a normal function, this depends on how the function is called. Here we can see uh, in non-stick mode, there is two cases. First one is non-stick mode, and second one is stick mode. Okay, in non-stick mode, we don't use we never use the use stick, and in stick mode we use stick. So there is a little difference between non-stick and stick mode. So let's see what can be the difference between them, and we will move. So here is a some here is a small function which name is so. Okay. Okay. So there is a one function which name is so, and we are doing console.log this. We are doing we are printing uh, this keyword inside the function, and we are here we call I call the show function, and it will give us it will give us it will give us the window because I would say later. Wait. First, see here, we are seeing window here. Why? Because this is equal to this refers to window. So that's why it is giving us that. Here I am going to change. Hello. Today's topic is this year. So hello is not looking good, not going properly. So hello to the topic is this keyword, and here when we call the this keyword inside a function, it is giving us uh, window. It is giving us windows uh, object inside browser. So that is a normal function, and uh, it is showing how we can use the uh, this keyword inside the function. And next one is non-stick use stick mode. So inside stick mode, uh, this keyword doesn't follow this rule with the non-stick mode. Okay, there's a little difference between them. So when we use stick mode, so it will give us undefined. It will give us undefined because stick mode does not automatically connect this to window. Uh, it cannot connect to the this keyword with window, so that's why it will give us undefined. So this is simple. So next one is this inside an object method. So when a function is called is a method of an object, so this refers to that object. So yeah, wait. Simple rule is who calls the function next. So let's see the code. Here we can see here user. Here is one object, which object name is user, and there is key is name and value is re, and there is one function inside an object, which name is grid, and we are we are using this keyword inside this function, so it will give us when we did that it will give us so it will give us Hari as an output. Okay, so Hari, we can see this is because here this refers to the user. This is user. This means user. Okay, so here we can see here this directly represent to the user. So uh, this equal to user. So that's why it is giving us it is giving us it is giving us the value of uh, this uh, object, and this dot name means user dot name, so it is giving us array as an output. So next one is function is called yeah, function is called we can see example 2. Yeah, yeah, this process is also same, so no need to explain this. So next one is this with arrow function. This with arrow function. There is a little difference between our normal function and arrow function. Let's see what is difference. So uh, arrow function do not have their own this, and they take inherit means they take from parents to child, this from their parent scope for their child, and simple rule means the normal function this depends on color, and arrow function this depends on parents, and let's see the example. So when we did that kind of code which is same as normal function, this will give us undefined because this depends on parent scope. So here the arrow function does not have their own this. They don't have own this. That's why when we this dot name here, it will give us undefined. So how we can, let's see how we can uh, use the this keyword inside an arrow function. Uh, so okay, let's see. Here we can see we should make another function inside this function. Here here don't be confused. Here we can see, here we can see there is one object. There is one object. We can see one object name is user, and inside this object there is a value, key value, and inside this object there is a function, one function also, and also there is a one uh, another function, another inner function. So to call this uh, call this from our parents, we should make the another function like that. So when we did that, mm, when we make the inner function and call it, it will uh, it will access the value of this parents, which is object, user object. So that's how we can use this keyword inside arrow function. There is a difference between normal function and arrow function. So next one is 5. This inside an event listener. This inside an event listener means when an event like a button, like click, the value of this depends on the type of function used. Okay, so here normal function. In a normal function, this refers to the HTML element that trigger the event. Mm, let's see example. Here we are using this here, and it will directly refers to the button. Here this means button. This is equal to button. Here you can see. Uh, mm, Here this is directly so okay, and then connecting to the BUTTON. That mean this equal to BUTTON. So we can write that. Okay. So that's why it will give us our output button will click. So next one is arrow function. Arrow function we already discussed about. Inside arrow function there should be like that. We make the another function inside this. Okay, so that is the difference. And next one is cons this keyword inside constructor. This keyword inside constructor means a constructor is a function used to create multiple objects with the same structure. So when we use the new keyword, this refers to the newly created object. Let's see here. Uh, we are here is one function named person, and there is a parameter as in name, and this we are using this here. So this dot name is equal to name. Here this is directly represent to the above name. So that is, it will give us uh, when we run this code, it will give us that kind of output. So that is the way to use this keyword inside a constructor. Next one is create multiple object. Using constructor, we can create multiple object like that. There is no need to go deeply. So, so this keyword inside call method, apply method, and bind method. So normally JavaScript decide the value of this. Okay, so but call method, apply, and bind let us manually set the value of this. So wait, here we are grid.call. Here the difference is here we make the function, and we print this concept of this dot name. Name comes from here, and we call grid.call grid.call call method is uses here, so it will give us our value. So that is how we can use the call method, and that is same goes to the apply and bind method. So uh, to the topic, this call and apply method apply this not this call apply and bind method we will discuss deeply in next chapter, which is function binding. So that's all about this chapter. There are some kind of practice question you can practice for this chapter, which makes you confident, which helps you to understand deeply about this topic. So, let's see first question. Create an object student with. So you have to create one object. Object name should be student, and you have to uh, add the key and with value name, and you have to print name using print name. You have to use this keyword. Okay, you have to print name. You have to print this name using this keyword, not normally print. Don't print normally. Like that, there are some question you have to do, and so that's all about this chapter. Uh, Today we learn what is this keyword and how we can use this, and uh, what what is the difference between the normal function and arrow function while using the this keyword. So that kind of things we learn today. So for today, this is enough. This is enough for today. We will discuss discuss on next video with the function binding. So, but today this is all. Okay, bye bye.